Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fade your audio in and out in DaVinci Resolve. So to get started, just load your clip into the timeline. And if you want to fade your audio in and out, all you have to do is go ahead and select your clip. And as you mouse over it, as you can see, this small tab appears in the corner of the audio. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to slide that over like so. And as you can see, that creates this grayed out section and a slope. So the sloped area is where the audio starts fading out. And if I want to fade it in, I just have to do the same thing to the beginning of the audio clip here. So if we go ahead and take a listen to the audio first, as you can hear, that's what it sounds like. So if we wanted to fade it in very gradually, I would just slide it over, and this also allows you to control the duration of the fade in and fade out very, very easily. Then let's go ahead and play it. As you can hear, it's not as loud in the beginning as it was before. You can also change the curve, the type of curve that it follows, by dragging this small dot around. So as you can see, I can make the transition a lot sharper and a lot faster near the end of the fade in by dragging the dot to the right. And then I can also do the inverse by dragging it to the top left. So let's go ahead and try dragging it to the bottom right and giving the audio a listen. So as you can hear, the audio was a lot more silent at the start and ramped up very, very quickly compared to a linear curve like this one. So that's how to quickly fade in and fade out your audio. Uh, these are great features that were recently added to DaVinci Resolve and just makes the process a lot easier. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.